Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 4 Pro with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard. Now write Bluetooth, and if you see Bluetooth on other devices, click enter or press on it. Right here at the top we have a device and we need to click on it also and then select Bluetooth. After that you open the charging case, and if your earbuds do not connect it with another device, it just enter to prank mode automatically, but we can also enter to prank mode manually. At the bottom we have connectional button right here. You just press and hold it until this LED light flashed white. Here we go, and now we enter prank mode manually. So we can see it as device list, then just click on it and click done. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.